So I'm just showing an example of the screencast automatic, what I want our players, our older players to start off and doing, teaching our younger players about the assignment, defensive recognition, and the technique we're going to use on every play. This allows us to be more mentally sharp when we're pre-snap in the game. So we're going to look at the tight end here. He's motioning over. His job, he's going to be in pass pro for this. So he's got this defender, he's got this defender. If one of them come, he has to take them. If they don't, he'll chip at the hip of the defensive end, and he'll come out flat. When you're coming out flat, you want to come negative. But so when we're looking at defense, we see the demeanor of this guy. He's looking right at the receiver. Same with this guy. We have this safety coming down. So we're thinking it's one high, and we're expecting a man defense. Man. Yep. Exactly what we get right here. Chip right at the hip. Coming down. If he could fight a little bit negative. Coming out. Other than that, he doesn't get the ball. It allows for a nice path for the quarterback. It comes negative.